Hello, this is Dr. Ray Sanchez-Meyers, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to do a line chart in Excel. The particular type of line chart that I'm going to do is based on a single case design, and it's called an ABA design. And it applies to most Excel programs, at least going back to 2007 all the way up to 2019 or more. It should be exactly the same. As you can see, I already have my Excel spreadsheet open, and I've already typed in the beginning stuff that you need to put in. On the first line in A1, I typed baseline. The next line, I typed intervention. And the third line, I typed follow-up. This is for an ABA design. Now I'm going to put in my data. As you can see, I've already done that here. I have 5 days worth of data, and this is minutes of exercise. Then on line 2, where the first line stops with the data, I start again with my intervention data, and I go to column K, another 5 days. Then I start on the next line where I left off, and I record another 5 days worth of data for the follow-up. So now I have my data, 5 days for each phase, baseline, intervention, and follow-up. Now I'm going to highlight the columns and rows that I have entered, and I'm going to click Insert, and you'll see an icon for line chart. It says Insert Line Chart. So I'm going to click on this menu, and I'm going to click this line chart here. So what's happened? Here's my chart, the basics of my chart. Now I want to add more information to it so the reader will know what it's saying. So now I'm going to click on Quick Layout, and I'm going to choose kind of layout that I want. Layout 10. The reason I chose this is because it already has room for a chart title, a vertical axis title, and a horizontal axis title. And here's the legend that tells the reader what these different lines mean. So now I'm going to click on chart title, and I'm going to give this a title. I'm going to call it Figure 1 Intervention for Exercise. On my left hand axis title, the vertical, I'm going to give this a name, a label. I'm going to call it Minutes Exercised. Now I'm going to click on the axis, the horizontal axis label. I'm going to give it a name. This is for days. So the reader looking at this can see that these numbers represent the minutes exercised. These represent the days, and each one of these lines represents a different phase in the ABA design. So now I'm done. I can highlight this chart, the whole thing, and I want to give it a line around it. I'm going to put shape, not shape fill, shape outline. Going to give it a black outline. So when I copy it over, it'll have this line around it. So all you have to do is, as I said, click on this chart, then click copy, and you can copy it into a Word document. That's all you have to do. It's very simple. This has been Dr. Sanchez-Meyers. Thanks for watching.